Welcome back to my channel.
Guys, in this video, we are going to see Wasit Wetland Centre. Guys, I think I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking about what is the price of the ticket. The price of the ticket is for one adult is 15 dirhams and for kids under 12 years old is free.
Come on guys, let's go to see the birds. We have reached our destination. Guys, look, I found a plane. We take a picture with the bird. Come on guys, let's go inside.
Guys, Wasit Wetland Centre is a place full of birds that you can watch. There are different types of birds and different types of species of the type of bird. I think you understand what I'm saying, right?
One of the birds are hiding.
Guys, the displays have the image and the name of the bird, so we know what is the name of the bird.
Like this. The birds cannot escape because there's a net on the top. It's trying to bite my hand. Come on guys, enjoy the video with us.
Guys, there are stands on the floor which shows bird footprints that we can actually wear. These boards also give detail to every single bird. This shows the eating habits of the bird.
It's swimming in the water.
Guys, this bird is trying to dry itself from taking a bath in the water. It looks very nice. which eggs comes from which bird. Hafik liked it very much that he literally did not even stop playing with it.
This one is my favorite. It's so cool.
Guys, I did not even know that storks could fly until I went to Wasit Wetland Centre. So definitely come to Wasit Wetland Centre to enjoy seeing the birds. Guys, I saw this stork just eating that fish without even thinking about the bones of the fish. Around the Wasit Wetland Centre, and we saw very few little birds, but we saw one deer, which is surprising because it's UAE, it's a desert city or something. Guys, the trees made it feel like I am in a forest.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Guys, I don't know if the video is clear, but there's a deer right there.
Go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried.
Guys, I have covered some of the road, so enjoy it very peacefully.
And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
Guys, don't forget to come to Wasit Wetland Centre because it would be a very enjoyable ride. And don't forget to like and subscribe and stay there for 1.5 hours. Guys, we are at the end of the video. Now it's time to like, and if you didn't, subscribe to our channel.
Thank you. Bye bye.